Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how quick and simple it is to start a Tumblr blog. Okay, start with your email. We just set up an email that we're going to be using. Enter your password. And your username. Another person has claimed this username. That's okay. Let's try it. Perry Panther. How old are you? We're old enough. So I'll just put whatever. Now I need to enter these words. I know that word dictionary. And this strange word, oh my goodness, C-I-L-Y-P-R. Good luck. Okay, it opens up to our dashboard. Our dashboard is the beginning. It shows us we can post a photo, a text, a link, a quote, a video, or audio, or a chat. Okay, so these are our options. And right when you open it up, it says, let's get started. Let's post a picture of yourself. So click here, and hopefully you have a picture of yourself. And if you don't, you can stop and pause this and go and get one. Here we go. Let's choose a file. You can also do a URL, so if you want to go to your website and pull a picture off of that, that's fine too. Otherwise, just pick something. You can always change it later. And we're going to say Perry Panther blog. Okay, that's all we have to do. Let's make it cool. And if you go onto the side here, this is something that I added. It's an extension. As a teacher, I think it would help to inspire different ideas. It's called Zamanta, or Zamanta, I don't know how to say it exactly. But the more you write, then it'll pull up content that you're talking about, and then you can link sources, and so it's pretty cool. So all we're really going to do, though, is tag it. And this is what's important about Tumblr, is tagging things. So we're going to say first post. Why not? And that sounds good. Create post. And we'll go back to our dashboard, and from there, it'll show us what it looks like. Alright, there we go. That's our first picture, Perry Panther's rock. And the one blog that you are following will be the staff of Tumblr. So it's something that they're posting. If you see something in your dashboard, it's because that is who you are following. So any person that you follow will show up as they post. Okay, so that is the beginning of how to start your Tumblr. It's pretty simple, huh? The next thing they ask you to do is pick a theme and title for your blog. Now, if you don't know exactly what you want to do, okay, it says one quick thing. We need you to verify your email address. So we have to stop and go to our Gmail that we signed up with and make sure that we verify it. So I've signed in. And when you sign in, it'll say find your mail under Gmail. Now, you have all these different options up here. So find your Gmail. It's going to load it. And this is the verification email. Okay, so just click on that, and that should verify it. and you should be able to start blogging right away. Go to Tumblr, see what happens. Okay, so we posted the picture. Pick a theme and title for your blog. Now this is the part where you can play around. The one that I use is, you go to themes. It's pretty simple and easy. You can look up all these different things. Of course, free themes is always great. I go to the super customizable because you can change all these different options, and the one I use is this one. But you have a couple options. You can go through all the different things and click on it and look at it and see if you like it. And this is just kind of what it's going to look like. On this one, I've really enjoyed because it's given me a lot of options to add buttons. So I have a Twitter button, I have a Facebook like, I have a Google Plus button, a Pin It button. So it really gives readers options. See right here, it gives readers options to share your link. And that's really what you want to be able to do, is to give them options. So I love this one, and I think I'll be using that. So click Use. And then right here is all the places that you fill out. And this is pretty simple. Let's see our title. Right now it's untitled. So we're going to call it J.R. Barry Ella. Can't see, my computer's kind of slow. Elementary. And then this would be a little description, and I can go back in here and fix it, but we can just say Go Panthers. Okay, just so we can see what it looks like, and I'll come in here and change it later. And these are all the colors of the links. Now if your school is purple, then you might want to change these to reflect the spirit of your school. Or if you just like certain colors, you can pick the colors that you like. So we can just real simply pick a color, and we can see on the side what it's going to turn out to look like. So maybe we want to go with the purple theme, which is pretty cool. Okay, that's real bright. I like bright. Looks cool. The link color, I might want it to be maybe red. I love purple and red together. And you can always go back and change it and play around, and it's always able to change. Okay, how about orange? There we go. Okay, and then you can change all these different things. And as you start to link your blog to other things like Twitter, I can show you how to do that. But these are the links on the side of your blog or your Tumblr. It'll go on the side here. If you want to show that there's a couple people writing, you can do group feature, and it'll show like authors. So if you have a room parent that's helping you, it'll also show that they are also part of the blog or Tumblr. If there's things, it'll go on the side. If there are posts that you like, you can show them, or you can keep them hidden. If you want to keep the blogs that you follow hidden, which as a teacher I suggest, because you might want to look at different content. You don't really need people looking at what you're looking at, so I would keep that unchecked. Show social icons, yes. Sharing features, yes. Okay, and this is how you start to customize it. When you go down, you can change things like featured posts. You could say popular posts. The group heading is contributing authors. You could say people who contribute. It's up to you how you want to present yourself. And then, of course, there's other things that we'll add, like the Twitter username will go right here. So when we set up the user profile and stuff for Twitter, we'll just add the username here, and it will simply post your tweets and stuff to the right for people to easily see and follow. So I think for right now, we're just going to save it. and check it out and see what happens. So after it's done saved, it's just as easy as that. You hit close, and it will pop right up and show you what your page looks like. Well, it usually does. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go to the page ourselves. So just click up here, and it should open this, which is right here is the actual link. So click it. It's called perrypanther.tumblr.com is what we called it. We still can change it. It's always able to be changed. And you see as it starts to evolve, it will look great at the end. So here it is. And so what I will do is begin to pin it. So if this is something I want to pin, I'll hit my pin button. It will find the picture, and let's pin this. I'm going to find the right board, and this is actually going to be on the Perry Elementary. You see it? News happening at Perry Elementary. Okay, and so you can have the PTA run that, or the principal can run it. And so that is how you start a blog. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, and if you have questions, don't hesitate to ask or email me. And this will be my email address. That is nnamik22@gmail.com. Again, thanks for watching, taking the time to learn something new. I hope you have a great day.